Right, in my last video, I completely forgot something. I forgot that I've basically been on like a mission to max out like all my monsters on the magical Nexus. We maxed out loads of the monsters on this island. We can send them all over. Like for example, we start simple with the Mega Mine. Bro, I need to play this game. I just called Pheromine Mega Mind. Alright, so let's speed up. Ponder the orb! Wait, I don't even remember which one we have. There it goes, Pheromine. Vermind, whatever. How do you actually pronounce it, Anna? Let's listen to your whoa, 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 whoa. Your whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Alright, cook! There you are. My standing monsters. Do the whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I actually didn't mean to say whoa there. His whoa, whoa, whoa actually made me go whoa, whoa, whoa. That's actually pretty good. Oh, I like that echo. Hold up. Oh, this is gonna be good. I really want the but I'm a bit off and I'm not speeding up any more bakeries. Evil Gloptic. Oh, Gloptic's about to be so good, bro. Oh my god, I cannot wait for the glop. That's gonna be a lot of gems. Ponder the orb. Yep, I know it's a Gloptic. Only could carry the island, and I'm not even kidding. Gloptic. No, I don't want to cover you. This could make this island feel from pretty empty to like full. What? Keep on going, thank you. My new favorite, easy. Oh, is that it? Give this guy more, please. He's so good. I'm not just saying that because I spent loads of gems. Whoa! That's so cool. I swear, if I get further into the song, this guy gets like overpowered by other monsters. I'm gonna be so mad. Flute fly. Ponder the orb! Oh, please, flute fly, go over him. Whoa, 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 whoa. Are you playing? Ooh! Oh my god! This song's so good! I love this, actually. I love this. Wow! Oh my god! We need more vocalists, I'd say. I'm not sure if I actually have any more vocalist level 20. Goodbye, Yuggler. This island is actually fire. I'm not going to make this super long, but if you're enjoying, check if you're subscribed. And if not, like the video so more people can see it and they can subscribe. Because last time I spent a lot of money and I didn't gain any subs, so please. I'm skipping it. I have a feeling this guy's also going to be amazing, you know. Is he going to be better than Gloptic, though? Both of these are really good monsters. Hold up. You're actually pretty good. It's pretty simple what he does. Poor Calacula. Never mind, he's not performing on his own. Yeah, but he mainly is, so. I hope some of these other monsters can help with his loneliness. The fact we've managed to get 4 monsters in one episode, bro. This island is amazing. Here. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like Roomba. Roomba, whatever. I'm not a massive fan. Okay, it's 14. I'm not a big fan of this monster. On Psychic Island. You go there. Oh, whoa! Why is it good? Oh my god, you're actually good. It's actually good. Alert! Alert! Is it playing this verse? Whoa! Ah, I'm not sure about this verse. Anything for the Calacula verse. Oh, it's so good, actually. This is so good. And Gloptic's at a pitch which I actually like. I mean, I barely ran out of food. I feel like, why does this keep on happening in these videos, I swear? Hey, but it's all good, alright? We're gonna give the song one final listen. Oh, I like that build up. Hold up. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's actually good. I'm starting to like the Roomba. I mean, Juggler compared to what he did on Sidekick, I'd say he's a downgrade. Gloptic, I'd say an upgrade. Okay, this is good. Calacula's pretty good. Gloptic deserves more playing. The Gloptic's still probably my favourite. I love the Vermine. I need to try get more vocals. I don't know why I went for Psychic Owl when leveling them up, because now we have 6. Now we have 6 percussionists and 1 vocalist. Oh, Roomba's actually amazing on this verse. Oh, I love this verse. It seems like a good time to end it, so I'll see you in the next video.